Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Google Find My device in 2026. So ensure that your location tracking is enabled in Settings, Google, and Find My device, and use the updated Find My device app. Or you could also go to android.com/find to locate, lock, or erase your Android device even when offline. The network can track devices in bustling areas or remote locations via stored encrypted locations. So again, go to any browser that you prefer using and go to android.com/find. And once you've done that, make sure you use the exact location or you use the exact account that you are using on that Android, and you will simply go ahead and find it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.